Edith Escalante and I'm 16 years old. I started dancing when I was 3 years old. I think about how I can improve and how I can just mature through my dancing and how that affects my personality. I don't have like a preferred one, I like all kinds of styles. But with my mentor, I'm going to do a contemporary jazz dance. Just being here is kind of a closed environment, so like I'm excited to see like what they have to bring and how I can learn what else there is. Like I want to see what's out there.